In today's video, I'll show you how to use BCC in Outlook 365 to protect your recipient's privacy. Whether you're sending newsletters or event invitations, BCC keeps email addresses hidden from others. First, log in to Microsoft 365 Outlook. Once you're in, go to Mail and click New Mail to compose a message. To access the BCC field, look under the To and CC fields. If you don't see it, click the ellipsis or Options button to reveal it. Enter the email addresses of the recipients you want to keep private here. Remember, the subject line and body are visible to all, so craft your message carefully. Once everything looks good, click Send. And that's it. Using BCC ensures privacy and professionalism for all your emails. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and check out our other videos for more Outlook tips.